Haya, erokamano. Asante sana. Your Excellency, before I invite the Deputy President, because you have been kind and you have visited us, and you have also given us Raymond, and we are sure you're giving us others, we have some gifts. Aya, the first gift has already arrived. Imefika, tafadhali Mheshimiwa Rais, tunakuomba ufike. Your Excellency, bado tuko na gifts for you and for the Deputy President. Tuko na samaki, tuko na omena, tuko na omena ingine ya Mheshimiwa Deputy President. Tuko na pineapples. Tuko na pineapples. These are the sweetest. Tuko na sweet potatoes, Your Excellency. These are the sweetest the Queen was eating. Your Excellency, tuko na mokwa. Your Excellency, mokwa is the unga we are producing here in Homa Bay County. We are producing it in Gwasi, inaitwa mokwa. Your Excellency, we have a 200 kilo fish. Songeni kidogo, ndio rais aione. Toka kidogo, beba juu. Manorech. Your Excellency, that's why we are talking about processing. Na pia tuko na kofia yenye watu wetu wanatengeneza hapa. Karibu sana ya Rigiji na yako, Your Excellency. Asante sana. Thank you very, very much. Hiyo ni ya kuwatch Gor Mahia. Ukitembea kwa Gor Mahia Ring Road. Your Excellency, the Homa Bay Jua Kali Association, please. The Homa Bay Jua Kali Association. Koro ber kosorach. Diadimo yeni ber. Aya. Your Excellency, allow me now to invite